Hi everybody, we are still working on lesson 4. I want to focus more in on graphing a linear function and starting with these directions here. Graph a linear function. This is my linear function, y equals x plus 1. Why is it a linear function? Well, once I start plotting some points for an x and for a y, you're going to see that line that's created on the graph. So this is a function, whatever input I give to x, it has exactly one output y. So we're going to take a look at making a table to go with this, and then we're going to complete the table following these steps. So I have my input value, which is an x. I have my rule, in this case is x plus 1. And then I have my output value, which is my y. So I'm making a function table. I can select any 3 values for x. So I'm going to say, let's let x be a 1, let x be 2, and let x be 3. Now we're going to follow the rule given here to figure out what our output's going to be. So if x is 1, and I'm going to follow the rule, x plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So my y value is 2. If x is 2, I add 2 plus 1, and my output is 3. And if my x is 3, I add 1, and my y, or my output is 4. So I have an x value and a y value. So now I'm going to graph 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Okay, I have all that I need now to create my graph. And we have to recall how to make a graph. So a graph has an x-axis and a y-axis. So the horizontal axis is my x, the vertical is my y. 0 is where the two cross each other. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 on my x-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 on my y-axis. And I'm going to go ahead and plot these points. So I have over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 2, up 3, and then over 3, up 4. So these two coordinates, 3 coordinates, would end up becoming a line, and this is my linear function. So we could look at linear functions as an equation, we can see them in a table, and we can graph them and see them as a line as well. All right, that's the end.